Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this absolutely stunning Harley Davidson Sportster Superlow. It's a 1200, it's a 2016 bike on a 16 plate, and it's done next to no mileage at all, 1,196 from new. It's got the full stage 1 system, and it's got the Daymaker headlight. So if I just turn the ignition on whilst you're there, so that's super bright LED light. And then the stage 1 consists of aftermarket exhaust there by Vance and Hines. You've got the Screaming Eagle air filter and also a fuel pack. So those three combined make it a stage 1. So really nice clean bike, as you can see. Loads of chrome on these. You've got a custom seat and you've got a sissy bar as well. And coming over the top, you can see the awesome Skull fuel tank cover as well. And then coming over this side, not too much to say again other than just how clean it is. You have got some aftermarket foot pegs for your rider, and of course this is a 2-seat setup, so you've got the rear seat and the rear pegs as well. Right, I'll give it a start up so you can have a listen. So it works on Harley's keyless system, so as long as the key is near the bike, you just press the button, it comes to life. And it's also worth mentioning this bike has got ABS as well. So then if you do fancy it, please, as always, give us a call or pop down to the showroom and we'll get your name on it. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.